Hola amigos, hola amigas, welcome, bienvenido, croeso salam, welcome to the channel y'all, Merry Christmas, Nadolig Llawyn, Feliz Navidad, welcome to the channel. So, I have got a little repair video for you guys today. So I'm selling a number of items on eBay, and some of those items are old. The Walkmans that I did the videos on, remember, a little while ago. So I sold one of these, and unfortunately the belt appears to have come off in transit. So what I'm going to do is, first of all, take a little look. So this has come back to me from the buyer. Let's pop in 2 AA batteries. I thought it'd be interesting to do a video on this. So the light comes on. I can hear the motor, but there's nothing moving. So I assume that the belt has come off on this, which is a shame, but I've got new belts. Let's take the batteries out. There we go. Headphones. Right, so I need to take this off. So, if my memory serves me right, there's 2 screws there, and then the rest comes out. And I've got my new spudger set. This is the spudger set I got from my wonderful friend Dave. Thank you very much, Dave. So I'm going to be using these today. Let's take the 2 screws out. One there. Put it on the magnet part. I got my posh mat out today for you guys. Now, where can we safely spudge? Let's have a look. Let's try the corner bit. Oh. It's coming off. As we got this bit, let's work our way around. Gently spudging as we go. So this corner here. Oh, right, okay. That's taken that off. So I need to get this board off to get the belt out. The screw there on the board. Okay, that loosens the board. Now I can see some connectors here that push out and then come out. And there's one here. Let's have a look. Ah, yes. That belt has definitely come off. So So I've got a genuine belt. Now I often get questions about the belts. So what I normally do is I type in the Sony Walkman details, put it into Google search, and then look for shopping, and then it normally comes up with all the sellers of them. So I have bought from these people in the past, Deck Tech. So let's get the belt out. Oh yeah, that's nice and tight. Okay, so that seems to be the issue, I hope. Let's gently pop this back on. Fingers crossed. Oh, look at that, that's even popped back into where it's supposed to go. And close that one up. Pop that one in. Close that one up. Fingers crossed. Where did I put the two batteries? Yay, it's turning. So that's the play. That's the fast forward. That's the rewind. Right, so all seems to be okay. Fingers crossed. Let's put that screw back onto the board. Oops. There we go. Now that seems to be fine. Let's pop a cassette in. Now you can just about see that there, so let's rewind it. Oh, look at that, that's rewinding. And auto stop. No, no auto stop. Play. Now I've got my own headphones here. So let's test it. Yeah. There we go. That is working. Let's test the radio. Turn it down. Yep. It's hard for me to get a signal in here in the workshop. It's not very good signal, but you can see that there's sound coming through. AM. There we go, I got some AM sound as well. Let's put it back to tape. Normal tape, metal tape, limited AVLS. Yeah, that's working. The only thing I will say is that inside here is just a little bit kind of, what you call, I don't know how to explain it, scratchy. So what I'm going to do is I've got some contact cleaner. Let me just put some contact cleaner in the end of there. Just a little squirt. Sugar. Don't worry, it'll dry. Right, I'll give that a few minutes for it to dry off, just to make sure it's completely dried off. Okay, battery's in. Let's try it. We got the mega bass off, mega bass on. Oh wow, fantastic. It's very hard for you to hear that, but it sounds amazing. All right, let's rewind the tape. We can take the headphones off now. And done. I thought it had auto stop, but it doesn't. So there we go. That is another fix. Done and dusted. Very nice, very simple to do, thankfully. And yeah, I will pop this back onto eBay now that I've got it fixed. And there we go. This will be on eBay, and I'll see you guys in the next episode. I hope you enjoyed. Merry Christmas!